Mapping Earthquakes in Northern California. Part 3. Adding California as a base map layer. In the previous video, you learned how to download data from the Northern California Earthquake Data Center. In this video, you will learn how to add California as a base map layer. In ArcMap, open a blank map document. The easiest way to add data is to use the catalog window. You'll typically see the catalog window pinned to the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, just click the button with the yellow file cabinet icon. When you first open Catalog window, you may not see the project folder right away. If you don't see it, you can add it using the Connect to Folder button. In this step, it is essential that you select your primary workspace folder to add it to the Catalog window. When ready, click OK. Once you add your workspace folder to the Catalog window, expand the folder by clicking on the plus sign. You should see your 3 subfolders inside. Expand the original folder to view the contents. Add the states and provinces layer to the map. Zoom into the state of California and surrounding areas. On the Tools toolbar, click the Select Features tool. The icon looks like a white arrow over a blue and white square. Then click on California. When you have a feature selected in ArcMap, you have the option to export it as a new shapefile. With California selected, right-click on the States and Provinces layer in the table of contents. Then select Data, then Export Data. When the Export Data window opens, click the yellow file folder icon and browse to your working folder. Next to Save as Type, choose Shapefile. Name the file California and click Save. Then click OK. When ArcMap asks if you want to add the exported data as a map layer, click Yes. The California layer gets added to the table of contents. On the map, California remains selected. Clear the selection by clicking on the Clear Selected Features button. Your map document now has 2 layers, one representing the state of California, and one that currently displays the surrounding states and Mexico. Add the shapefile that contains the county boundaries to the map. You may get a Geographic Coordinate Systems warning. Check the box that says, "Don't warn me again in this session," and click Close. Use the Direct Selection tool to select Humboldt County. The California layer may also get selected. Don't worry about it. When you export, it only applies to the layer on which you right-click. With Humboldt County selected, export the data as a new shapefile and save it to your working folder. Call the new shapefile Humboldt County. Add the Humboldt County shapefile to the map. When done, remove the layer that contains all of the county boundaries for the United States. You should end up with 3 layers in your table of contents, one for Humboldt County, one for California, and one for the United States and Mexico. Set your map document properties to store relative paths. Then save the map document to your project folder. Call the map document California Earthquakes. In the next video, you will learn how to add XY data.